By the mid-60s, America was full throttle into the muscle car craze. Dodge was all in. Cars like the Charger and the Dart GT were medium and even compact cars that were offering big V8s with big horsepower. Dodge unveiled the Coronet RT for 1967. RT stood for Road and Track. This wasn't just another fancy trim package. This car was built for drivers who wanted raw power with everyday drivability. On the outside, the 67 Coronet RT carried a bold, squared-off look that fit perfectly with late 60s styling. Buyers could choose between a hardtop or convertible, the convertible being one of the more rare open-top muscle cars for the decade, with only 628 produced. Under the hood, Dodge didn't hold back. Every Coronet RT came with a standard 440 Magnum V8, which delivered a factory-rated 375 horsepower with a massive 480 pound-foot of torque. Dodge offered an even more extreme option, the 426 Hemi. This came with a dual-carter 4-barrel carburetor that delivered a factory-rated 425 horsepower. Both engines came with a 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic or a manual 4-speed transmission. It also included an upgraded suspension, wide oval tires, 11-inch drum or optional front disc brakes, and a beefier rear axle. A look inside of our featured 67 Coronet RT shows off a well-appointed white interior with front bucket seats, center console, and performance-oriented gauges. Today, the 67 Dodge Coronet RT stands out as one of Mopar's most respected muscle cars. More than anything, the 67 RT captures the spirit of American performance. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you check out one of these other videos and we'll see you back real soon. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I'm your host Dave. Peace and keep the classics alive.